Hey guys, it's Micky. Many of you are fond of mixing different concoctions together and applying it on your skin. All for the sake of, I saw it on TikTok, I want to try it. Some combination would damage your skin barrier. So it's best you don't even just try some concoction you guys see on TikTok. Just swipe left and swipe right. Here are some of the ingredients you should not mix with each other. If vitamin C with benzoyl peroxide or vitamin C with acid is a no-no, don't even try it. Forget some directions on some product will tell you, and you can use vitamin C in the morning and use this later in 2 minutes time. Don't try it. Another product that cannot be mixed is retinol plus acid. That is, be it lactic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, acid. Don't mix it with retinol. If not, it's going to erupt your face completely. Another product that can be mixed is retinol with vitamin C. There is this word general love people have for vitamin C. I'm not a fan though. But mixing your vitamin C with your retinol, it's a no. You cannot mix retinol with vitamin C. Else your skin will begin to purge, because generally using retinol alone even purges the skin. Now imagine using retinol with vitamin C and you now happen to have a sensitive skin. Bele is your name. Another product not to mix together is hydroquinone with benzoyl peroxide. This mixture, I so hate the mixture. Now you can mix hydroquinone with tretinoin, but you see hydroquinone and benzoyl peroxide. Forget that benzoyl peroxide is going to treat your dark spots. Mix it with hydroquinone and see what will begin to happen on your skin. If they will not fight Tai Chi on your skin. Another skincare product that are not meant to be mixed together is you using different actives on your skin. Now, this is common with organic products. Remember then when that thing was a thing. You see them mixing kojic acid, hydroquinone, alpha-butene, giga white, sepi white, all in one lotion, all together. That is very wrong. It will just disrupt everything going on in your skin. That's why you see some people having stretch mark from here to here. In my next video, I'm going to explain products that can mix together, giving a nice, uniform, even skin tone. If you want a glowing skin, if you want a brighter skin, just a good skin generally. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye.